Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing an old-fashioned clean with me video. I just have lots of, daily tasks to get done around my house, lots of laundry to do. We have dishes, we are tidying the fridge, just doing all of the normal mom, parent, daily tasks. So I'm getting started with the laundry because I hadn't done laundry in a few days, which is very unlike me. So I had a ton to catch up on. So we are going to start with folding laundry. And like I said, I'm just doing the general tasks around the house. So there's not really much to share with you. So I'm going to put on and play some really good music. So get your to-do list out and clean with me. If you guys are new, I hope you consider subscribing and let's get started.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. You got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. All the memories just lingers on repeat like it is never gonna stop. I can't help myself from feeling all alone, but you got me good, well you got me good. You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being
So we started off this video doing some laundry, and now I'm just finishing up another load of laundry that I had in the dryer. We changed our sheets yesterday, so I just have the other sheets that I changed out on our bed and just some towels and a few other things that did not fit in the load of laundry that I had done before that. So we are all done. My house is now tidied, and I feel so good because I really took the whole entire weekend off and didn't really do much at all around the house. So I feel good that things are back and in order, and my fridge is tidied. I feel like when my fridge is a mess, my life is a mess. It's really a good representation of how I'm feeling. If my fridge is clean, all is well. So is anyone else like that? But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, I would love for you guys to subscribe. I do tons of cleaning, organizing, and all of that. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.